Hello, we welcome to our channel. In this current video, we are going to show you a very popular digital soldering station DSS36. This soldering station is high in demand these days. As you know, we are releasing few videos of our products one by one. So in the current video, we are featuring DSS36, a very popular digital soldering station. So it will come in a packing in front of you. It's a very rugged packing for safe transportation. Let's open the box and see what contents are inside this box. So let's open the box. First of all, you will see an operating manual. This operating manual contains vital information regarding operation and troubleshooting of this soldering station. Second one is this calibration certificate. See, this is the calibration certificate, which is an essential part of this equipment. So it is valid for 1 year from the date of our invoice. You can keep it with your records. So let's take this foam sheet out. Next, you can see there are few contents inside the box. Let's take them out one by one. First of all, we will take out this DSS36 digital control unit. Next one is the support rack with cleaning sponge. Third one is the soldering iron. Fourth one is the power cord. Fifth and last one is the external grounding cord. So let's see how connections are made. First of all, we will take out this power cord. Just untie it and connect it on the rear side. See, you can see on the rear side there is the power cord on the rear side socket, and connect it to the external power source on the other end. Now let's see how we can connect this external grounding cord to this main control unit. Though it is a 3-pin power plug is used, we can just as an extra safety step, we can connect this external grounding cord. This banana plug is connected to the banana socket on the rear side, okay, and this crocodile plug is connected to the external grounding point. Next, we will see how this soldering iron is connected to the control unit. Let's remove this protective cover first and connect this part to the front end. See, you will hear a sound, it's a locking sound to ensure the connectivity of the soldering iron to the main control unit. And let's keep this soldering iron here in the safety rest. There is a cleaning sponge supplied along with this soldering station. This cleaning sponge is a very useful tool for cleaning the excess solder deposited on the soldering tip. Just wet it with water and drain the extra water. Just keep it little bit wet. Do not use plenty of water, and this is how the soldering tip is cleaned. We will show you the correct method to clean the soldering tip. Just use this hole and clean the soldering tip like we are doing, and then keep it on the support rack. As you can see, we have connected the main control unit to the external power source. So, and the soldering iron is also connected. So let us switch it on. By pressing this on off switch, you can see the temperature is gradually rising, and slowly it will attain the set temperature. There are up and down push button on the front panel itself. By pressing the up button, we can increase the temperature, and by pressing the down button, we can decrease the temperature. See, the upper temperature limit is 480 degrees centigrade. If we keep pressing this up button, it will attain the maximum temperature range, and if we press this down button and keep it pressed for few seconds, then the lower temperature limit will be achieved. So you can see it will gradually achieve 80 degrees centigrade. Yeah. So in this way we can increase or decrease the set temperature. See, there are a variety of soldering tips available for different type of soldering applications, like for SMD soldering, high mass soldering, and heavy object soldering. So there are different type of soldering bits available with us in huge quantity. So in the next step, we will show you how we can change the soldering tips. Let's see how the soldering tips are changed. In this cooling, the soldering iron is in cool state. Just unscrew this nut and barrel assembly and just pull it out and take the soldering bit out of the heating element. and keep it here on the support rack, and then if choose the type of tip you want for your application and just insert it over the heating element, and then fix the nut and barrel assembly once again clockwise. Now the soldering iron is again ready to use, and you can use it as the process we have explained to you earlier. You know, calibration is an essential part of a soldering station. It is required to comply with the ISO requirement and quality standards. So this soldering station DSS36 is equipped with this calibration feature, which is very useful. You can yourself do the calibration. It's very easy procedure, and in this step we will explain you how you can do the calibration. First of all, you need to switch on the main control unit, and you can use an external calibrator. Here we are using I191AD, an external calibrator. Then we need to measure the tip temperature. Let's pick up the soldering iron from the support rack and apply some fresh solder on it, on the soldering tip, and then measure the tip temperature using an external calibrator. See, the set temperature is 370 degree and the measured temperature is 361 or 362 degree. So there is a clear difference of 8 degrees centigrade downside. So let's use the calibration feature to match the set temperature. First of all, you need to press the star button and then press the up and down button simultaneously. Then the digit on extreme left will start flashing. Then input the same value which you have measured on the external calibrator. Here we will input the value 362 using up down button and then press the star button. Then you can see the temperature will gradually rise. Then we will again verify whether the input value we have entered into this control unit is appearing on the external calibrator or not. See, earlier the measured value was 362, now the value is close to 370 degree. It means it has the value which we have entered into the control unit has been accepted, and now the set temperature and the actual temperature is almost same. So this is a clear advantage of calibration feature. So there is a unique feature present in this soldering station, that is called temperature locking feature. Usually what happens, the operator just has a tendency to increase the temperature according to his or her own choice, but there is a recommended temperature setting which is prescribed by the supervisor or the shift in charge. So by enabling this locking feature, temperature locking feature, the supervisor or shift in charge can prevent the operator from changing the set temperature or recommended temperatures. So in this step we will show you how we can enable the temperature locking feature. See, as you can see, the set temperature is 370 degree. If we enable the temperature locking feature, then the temperature will be locked at 370 degree centigrade, and the operator will not be able to change the temperature. Let's see how it is enabled. Just switch the unit off, then press up and down button simultaneously and switch the unit on. As you can see, 3 cursors are flashing on the display itself. The default password is 000. First of all, we need to input the default password. Just press the up button, then star, then again press up button, then star. We have input the 000, the default password, then press the OK star button twice. Then you can input the new password. You can choose your own password starting from 001 to 999. Here we are using 001 as our new password by using the star and up combination of keys, and press the star button. We have to repeat the process by pressing up and star button combinations. We need to just input 001 and press the star button once again. We have changed the password from 000 to 001, and the temperature locking feature is not enabled yet. For enabling it, we need to switch the unit off once again and then switch it on. Now the temperature locking feature is enabled, and you can see that even pressing the up and down button, the temperature is not changing. So this is a very useful feature which prevents the operator to increase or decrease the temperature according to his or her own choice, and the supervisor's dominance is retained. Hope you have enjoyed this video, because we have explained each and every feature of this soldering station. It's a very useful soldering station which is used for day-to-day work to high production activities. We welcome your inquiries to procure this soldering station from us. We keep huge stock of this soldering station with us, and all the spares and soldering tips are available in our ready stock. So just keep sending us your inquiries for this soldering station. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.